Guys, welcome to the channel. JB here. Super pumped you're with me. Excited to start a kind of another playlist on this channel where we're going to be remodeling this lake house. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is the first time that I'm seeing it, really getting in here. Brought a bunch of cleaning supplies, and then over the course of the next 6 months, we'll show you the transition that we're going to make this place and really make the changes. So let's get in there and check it out. So as you can see, this is the inside or the approach to the house. Obviously the view is what we've got. We've got some tree issues that we need to work on. Let's let the light change. There we go. There's Neil. He's here, so you can come in here. Obviously that is the outside view to the lake. And as we come in here, you're gonna see we're gonna need to redo this whole thing. So we have the kitchen in here. No refrigerator, a really nasty bathroom that I'm not going to spend much time with you because you're going to see how nasty this thing is. And then we have another room here, which is a bedroom. And my plan is, if we get it to work the way I'd like it to, is to take this roof off and go up. But then as we come out here, let's go ahead and take a look out here. This is what it's all about. So the property line extends from that boat all the way down to the lake, and we'll take a walk down there. Here's Neil again, and we'll come down. As you can see, we've got a lot of work to do, a lot of tree trimming, a lot of things to work on. There is a basement down there, and I'll show you that in a minute, but all this property out to the lake comes with the house, and you can see we'll come down here. I'm going to take the drone up, so hopefully you can see that too. We got a big fire pit down here. Come down to the road. Obviously needs a lot of landscaping. They left us some tires. A lot of work here needed. Then up here is the lake. There is a little road that crosses, but it's kind of dead. Then you kind of see the backyard here. Here comes Neil. Neil loves it. See him sitting there. Very quiet town this is. A town of 1,000 people only. And then if we come across to the lake, get through the gate here. Take you guys with me. As we come over here, you can see the docks. And you can see the beauty and the peace of the lake. Which we'll be doing a lot of videos out here this summer. And we'll take a look here. So the plan is to get this remodeled and get everything going so that we can have some fun here in the summertime. And we'll come back into the house, and then we'll do a little bit more. And you can see a little bit more of what's going on. We got to get all the trees trimmed too. A lot of work. And there's Neil waiting. He probably wants to go in the lake. Neil, you can't go in the lake. Let's shut this. And we got a big gate down here. And then we're going to go get some lunch and edit the video. But I want to show you guys the before so you can really see what we're going to have to do. A lot of potential here. Oh, let's go in the basement real quick so you can kind of see that too. As we get up the hill, some exercise. So as we come up into the basement, this has got to adjust the light. I got a locksmith coming and changing everything. And then here is the basement. Check this out. They used to keep ducks in here. They left all this stuff I got to clean. This is my next job, is I'm cleaning all of this out. And then again, as you walk out, there's Neo. He's having fun. No, don't go in there. You can see the rest of the view. So I think even down here, we might be able to put some type of outdoor kitchen workout area. You know I love to work out. But it's so peaceful. And that's really what it's about. So I'm going to leave you a minute with some drone shots. And I want to introduce you to the lake house that we'll be redoing. A lot of work upcoming. You can see all the bushes. We'll kind of show you the progress here on the channel. I know it's a little different, but we're having some fun. And that's what we do on the channel, is have a blast. A little different than Florida. Indiana, Midwest, lake life. That's what it's about. All right, so thanks for watching. As always, like I said, I'm gonna put some drone shots up. You can kind of see what it's like, and then we're gonna see the transformation occur right here on this channel.
You watched to the end. Thank you so much for that. You're awesome. You can click subscribe for more awesome videos that we do all kinds of different things. And then down here, you can watch the next video that comes up from our community and channel. By the way, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. What do you think about today's video? All right, thanks so much. Hit that subscribe or watch that next video.